What's up everybody, my name is Danny Winget and I'm going to show you how to set up and manage your smart home dashboard on your LG OLED TV, and I'm also going to show you how to control your entire smart home by using the built-in voice assistants. It's really easy. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is just pick up your Magic Remote and just navigate to the smart home dashboard, click on it and open it up. This dashboard was made to see all of your connected devices in one place, so if you have a soundbar connected like I do, you can see that right here. Your gaming consoles also show up here when you plug them in. If you have multiple speakers connected, you can choose which ones that you want to use. What's great is that when you want to change the settings, a lot of that can be done right here in the dashboard by just clicking on that product. Very convenient. If you own LG ThinQ smart home products like the LG air purifier and the LG robotic vacuum, you can add them to the right side of the dashboard. Just download the LG ThinQ app and set up an account and connect your devices. They'll show up there and you can control them like any other device right from your TV. You can connect up to 4 smartphones here to make content sharing easy. What's awesome is it doesn't matter if you use an Android phone or an iPhone, AirPlay 2 support is here, so it doesn't matter what type of phone you use, LG's got you covered. So when you want to quickly share those family photos and those videos, or if you want to just watch a movie that you purchased, it's really easy to do. The best way to control your entire smart home is with the built-in AI voice assistants on the LG OLED TV, and what's amazing about the LG TVs is that you get the ultimate flexibility because you have the choice between Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa. Just pick the one that you want to use, sign in with your account, and just like that, you'll have control over your entire smart home instantly through voice. I have my smart home connected through Google Assistant, so all you have to do is hold down this microphone button on your Magic Remote, turn on office lights.
Sure, turning on 6 lights.
Just like that now, all the lights came on and I'm ready to watch a movie. So that's how you set up and manage your smart home dashboard on your LG OLED TV. It's powerful, it's convenient, so give it a try today. I hope you learned something from this, and I hope that this will help you enjoy your TV even more if that's even possible.